What's up, y'all? It's Unapologetic Labor. She don't come to play, okay? And today, I'm getting ready to take these baby kids to the park on a little nature walk because they need some sunlight and some vitamin D for these badass kids, okay? They just need to get some air, so I'm gonna take them out. And I have a little rant before we get into the video because I've been seeing lately like people giving parenting advice. Number one, I don't take parenting advice from part-time parents. One, people always barely got their kids but always want to give what they should do and shouldn't do with their kids, but they barely have their kids. And two, I don't take parenting advice from people who got kids under the age of 1, because baby, you just had that damn child. Let that baby start talking back. Let's see if that advice worked for you. Anyways, back to the video. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So we've made it to the park. Going on a little walk. Packed today. I guess there's a game going on. I feel like the only black person in this motherfucking park, but oh well. We in this bitch. We is here.
I'm excited to go to the place with the water.
You excited to go where?
The place where the water is.
Where the water is? Why? You like to watch the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, my kids are water kids. Just like me. They're really little me's. Everything I like, they love too.
Jojo said he's excited to see the lizards.
The lizards? I forgot about the lizards. There was 2 lizards?
Oh, yeah. And they were coming running towards us.
Really?
Yeah.
So we're gonna come back at y'all when we buy our little spot, okay? Because it's a little, like, I call it my little grounding spot because it's where the water is. And watch it. It's where the water is, and there's not too many people over there, so it's a nice place to sit and ground yourself, and ponder and stuff. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to our spot.
Like last time.
Huh? The doggy park. The other dogs. How relaxing this trail is. There's usually a lot more people, but every time I come here, it's so relaxing. I guess it's because I'm around a bunch of trees, but it's so relaxing over here. And yeah, this is mad peaceful.
For you every time I try to resist, we can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So we made it to our little spot. There's other people there, so we're not really sitting down much, but like, yeah. A little spot where the water is, and you like to chill and sit here and watch the water. See, it's nice and relaxed. I mean, it's not peeling, you know what I'm saying, but you can watch the water, the sun right there. It's a nice little setting if you want to like take pictures for lighting and stuff. But yeah, it's our little spot. What?
Spider-Man.
The Spider-Man. The park. It's a nice little setup for the kids. Here over there. climbing. There goes Joe. Two peas in a pod. Look at that. I'm about to climb up there with them. I mean, it's big enough. Like, I would be OD if I was climbing up there with them kids. I might just join them. Give me a second.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. But we should wait. Really, really wanna. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Palm trees, beach views, and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself.
So I'm closing out this video. It's getting dark. Everybody's leaving. Everybody's bringing their kids home. And I like to stay out when nobody's here. So we're going to stay here a little bit longer and chill. But I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.